The good news about this last type of fold is that it is almost exactly like the previous one. So we're going to start by making another pinched triangle fold. Once again, I'll start by folding my paper in half to make a rectangle with the white side showing. Flip the paper over, make a diagonal fold, lining up the corner and the edges of the paper like this. Make a diagonal fold in the opposite direction, lining everything up. We'll see that same X with a line through it, just like we did before. Take the two side creases, pinch them together in the middle, and flatten out that triangle on the table. We'll also fold down two of the flaps, just like we did before, on one side and on the other side. This form should look familiar. And now we'll also fold down the back flaps like this on both sides to make this compact form that looks kind of like a dart. We'll need 8 of these forms for your project today.